So today we're going to be doing a Hollowcore splice, and we're going to be using this Hollowcore one-shot. It's a really strong way to connect mono to Hollowcore braid backing. So we're going to be using this 80-pound one-shot, and we use this for marlin and stuff. It's worked pretty good so far. So what it is you basically fuse the this. We're just using 80-pound Siguar mono, but you bring it inside of the line with a needle because it's hollow. That's why it's called Hollowcore. And then that helps you be able to add the thing to it. So you put your line inside of it, and it's super strong, like a Chinese finger trap. It gets tighter the more that you pull on it. So this shouldn't break. It won't break. So, and it's really strong for strong fish. So now what we're gonna do is you're gonna want to get 80 or 80 inches, maybe about 6 feet worth of, a little more than that probably. If you want, the longer it is, the stronger it is, but we're just gonna be using a few feet of it. And you just mark it with a Sharpie so you know where you want your needle to go out. So you're gonna mark how long you want it, however long. It could be however long. And then we're gonna take a needle, and this line is gonna go to that. So now we have our needle right here. This is a Smitty Hollowcore one, and it's for special for 80-pound, but you get one for whatever pound test of Hollowcore you're gonna be splicing with. This is for 80, so then you're gonna put your mono inside of the needle, so now that that's in there, you're gonna use that to take it inside of your thing. It might take a bit because it takes some practice, but it's kind of precise. So then once you can get it in, almost there. Almost. So then once it's in, you're gonna be able to bring it through. So we're just gonna push through and just bring it through until you're about to your point. So you're just gonna keep going. Just pull out the back, and then you're just gonna push through your needle. Just gonna keep going until you get to your mark. So this could go for however long you want it. So we're just gonna keep going here and keep going. Just gonna keep pushing it through, and then just keep it going. So then just want to keep going through. So now we're about to our point here. So as you can see here, there's this Hollowcore, the mark right there, and then you're gonna just poke your needle through, grab the end, and just pull it out. And then you're gonna get your mono to it. Then you're gonna just take the needle off the end, and you're gonna pull back in so your thing is just behind where it poked out. And then you're gonna get it nice and smooth. Just smooth it out. You just want it to stay on your thing. So, and you don't want it poking back out the other side. So, just gonna keep doing it. I'm gonna push through, and we're just gonna smooth it out. So now that we did this, now we have to attach the end of the line so it doesn't slip out the back. So now, up here, we're just gonna move it up, and we're just gonna create tension with this drawer here, but you could do it with anything else. So it's just a pinch to our fly tying thing. So it's nice and tight, nice and strong. It's gonna be. Then we're gonna take a little bit of super glue and just pull up the back of it and apply a really light layer of super glue, just enough that it'll stick to it so it won't fall out, because this is for really big fish and you really don't want it falling out. So you're just gonna rub it up, get it to the top. Then we're gonna take this, we're gonna make 3 things, 3 knots. And then, because this will keep it strong, so we're going to be using this 20-pound Power Pro. And you're just going to cut off a good section of it, foot and a half. Then we're just going to take our little tool. You don't have to use this, but this just makes it easier, and you're going to line it up around the back and then towards the front. 6 turns, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now it's towards this, and you're going to take this end and put it under your tool so it gets that knot nice and strong. And then you're just going to tighten it up. Just pull it out nice and slow so it doesn't really overlap itself, getting it all messed up. And if it does get messed up, you can fix it. So then we're just going to tighten it down, get it nice and strong. And we're just going to cut our 2 ends. And then we're going to take a lighter and really carefully burn the ends of the tag ends and make sure not to get your thing, because that'll ruin your whole thing and you'll have to restart. So you're just going to do that. And then we're going to do this 3 more times, or 2 more times. So just same thing. You just put it up on the thing, on the tool, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And stick the end under it. Just pull down on it, get it nice and tight off. Just tighten it down. And then we're going to super glue that one so it stays nice and strong. Just pull down on it, get it super tight. And cut the ends. And then we're going to do this 1 more time. Same way, same stuff. Still using the 20-pound braid. Now this one, it's going to connect. So we're going to take this, go around a few times, 6 times, same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're just going to stick it back under the bottom and add it. Then pull it down, get it nice and tight, and just cut the ends. And then we're just gonna, then that's good. It's nice and tight, so that won't come undone. And then just the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our lighter again, and we're going to burn the ends of it, burn the tags, be really careful. Now, our lighter's out of fuel, so you're just gonna have to imagine you're doing it, but it's the same thing as we did for the first one. So, but that's really strong, so that's our Hollowcore splice. And super strong, good for basically anything that swims.